Grinding, dispersion, emulsification, homogenization, mixing, and crushing may all aim to improve material uniformity, but each serves a fundamentally different purpose. Today, let's break it down from a process perspective. First, crushing. Crushing is typically the first step in material processing. It reduces large bulk materials into smaller particles through mechanical force, preparing them for subsequent processes such as mixing and grinding. Next is mixing. Mixing is the basic process in material preparation. Its purpose is to bring different materials into uniform contact and distribution. For example, mixing powders, liquids, and additives. Common mixing equipment includes mixers and agitators. Then comes dispersion. When powders are introduced into liquids, they naturally tend to agglomerate. Dispersion applies shear forces to break apart these agglomerates, allowing particles to remain uniformly suspended throughout the system. Typical applications include pigments in inks and conductive additives in battery slurries. Now let's look at emulsification. Emulsification is designed for two immiscible liquids, such as oil and water. High shear forces break large droplets into microscopic droplets, forming a stable and uniform emulsion. It is widely used in industries such as cosmetics, food processing, and coatings. Homogenization further refines materials after dispersion or emulsification by reducing particle or droplet size and narrowing the size distribution, resulting in greater product stability and consistency. Milk homogenization, for example, creates finer and more uniformly distributed fat globules. Finally, the core process, grinding. Grinding differs fundamentally from simple dispersion. Instead of merely separating particle clusters, grinding physically reduces particle size through impact, compression, and shear generated between the grinding media and the material. For nanomaterials, electronic pastes, inks, coatings, and battery materials, bead mills are essential for achieving micron and even nanoscale particle size control. Each process serves a distinct purpose, and different material systems require different combinations of processing technologies and equipment. With more than 20 years of expertise in nanomaterial processing, Boyee Industrial provides advanced process optimization and equipment solutions for grinding, dispersion, mixing, and emulsification across industries, including new energy battery materials, electronic ceramics, inks and coatings, and semiconductor materials.